Alright, I'm just putting, well, I've just put a new solenoid on the XT600, so take a quick look where it's located. It's an easy job. There's only 2 bolts. It slides off. It's on a rubber mount. I'm going to just get the light in there a little bit better. So there it is. It's a bit better. So yeah, it just slides off. It's on like a spade on the frame on the rubber mount. I'll show you the mount a bit closer in a sec. So that's where the location of the solenoid is. There's just 2 wires connecting that. It's just at the back of the cab near the battery. You've got basically the positive circuit heavy cable to drive the starter motor. So the problem I was getting is I wasn't getting this turning of the starter. It was just clicking. So that always points to a faulty solenoid. I'm just trying to get a bit of light in here for you to maybe see it a bit better. So it's tucked up there. There's the actual starter for the XT600 there, and you can see the red wire and the cable, and there's the solenoid. So it's on. That's a better picture. So there you can see it nice and clear. So there's 2 connections, 2 red wires, which are basically decent sized cable for the amperage required to turn the starter. They just go onto the 2 poles, and then there's a white block connector you can see on the right, just clips together. It cost me 18 quid for a new one. It comes with a rubber mount which slides straight onto that spade up there, up the top part. So that's how it works. So let's have a quick look at the old one, which is just here. Bring this one up. So this is the old one I've taken off. It's not that old, I'll be honest. It's only probably about 4 years old. So that's the slide on bit. It just slides onto the frame. There's a little tab sticking out. So your 2 connectors, left and right, don't really matter which way around. It's just a switch, a relay switch, and there's the actual white connecting block. So that's the XT600 starter solenoid. So all I've got to do now is fire it up. I know it works, I've just tried it. So the problem I was getting was it wasn't turning the starter, wouldn't start up. So all I've got to do now is put my seat back on, side panel back on. I've got the battery back on. It's a decent heavy duty battery, an endurance battery. That sometimes can cause you a problem. If you've got a low battery, that can actually burn the starter solenoid. So that's probably what's happened, because I don't use this bike much. I'm tend to go on with other bikes. This is my backup machine, but it's a great bike, so I'll never get rid of this one. So 600cc, let's give it a go, see whether it, well, I know it'll fire up, but much easier now. I was just getting a click previously, now I'll get a full, should get it starting up first touch. So yeah, perfect, happy days once again. My backup machine is up and running, sounding sweet as ever, and it's a 1994 model 600e Yamaha XT. Thanks for watching. The solenoid, I've just turned it off a sec. The solenoid I got from online from a Yamaha specialist, cost me 18 quid. This one was a cheaper one that I'd picked up previously, and obviously didn't last as long, so worth spending a couple of quid more and getting a better one. But they aren't that good anyway, I'll be honest. They don't have a very long lifespan, especially with these starter motors. It draws a lot of current when you turn the key, and if the battery and everything's not 100%, you've got a problem. So hope you've learned something. If it isn't starting, it's just going click 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 on the switch, it's the solenoid needs replacing, or some call it the starter relay. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this Yamaha XT600e. Catch you later.